Now we will learn about some topics in Tally. First topic is ledger account, simply called as ledger. In Tally, two ledger accounts are created automatically, that is cash account, and this account shows under cash in hand, and second account is profit and loss account. It will goes under direct primary account, and these two accounts are created by default, and remaining other ledger accounts which are needed to the company should be created under corresponding group. It means which account should be created and what is its behavior and what is the corresponding group for it. When we create a company, we have to create a number of ledgers. Under it, we have to record transactions. Next one is cost center and cost category. In a company, all transactions will be on accounting basis. If we want to maintain accounts in category wise or center or thing wise and maintaining separate accounts for it, then we have to maintain cost center and cost category in Tally. For example, if cost category is a department and if we want to create a particular cost center for it, suppose sales department is a cost center and purchase department is another cost center, then we can maintain particular transactions related to sales and purchases so that we can easily understand each and every outgoings and incomings. Instead of maintaining whole accounts, we can maintain the separate accounts through cost centers and cost category. We can maintain stock group, stock items and stock category when we maintain the inventory. If we have different types of products in our company, then we have to classify the products into groups and then into category wise. Under category wise, we have to take stock items so that we can maintain the stock reports easily and clearly. For example, stock group will be if number of products are produced, then we have to divide them into a group. Suppose we shall take an example cosmetics. Under cosmetics, we have number of categories like powder items, soaps, etc. And now we have to take category wise like powder, soaps, perfumes, etc. Under that particular category, we have to take stock items. We have to take stock items under soaps, powders, perfumes, etc. Like this, we have to maintain different types of items in category wise, and we can make transactions according to these groups so that we can easily understand the business transactions. Like this, we can use stock groups and stock items in Tally.